All right, everyone, a quick update on Turbo here. So, from the live stream, we threw this yellow line on the chart here at 0078. We blew through our first resistance here, and we pointed this out that the market structure here looks good as long as you were holding over our 4.7 level here, that wick, and we were holding over this. The price to beat would be 7.1. We blew through that, and then we ended up breaking this previous high. That was the big thing you needed to watch. So a good breakout here on Turbo. She is over that 1272 finally here. And then the next big price to beat, we're going to move this up, is the market structure is already broken, but we don't want to come up to this previous high and get stuck at 980098. So that could be a good resistance level here, and it could even, as you can see, depending on what chart you look at, if we zoom out even further to the monthly here, you can see that could be a double top with a lower high here if it doesn't even hit that 9.8 level. So just something to point out. But right now, we've been saying this for a very long time. Every time Turbo's in a bullish pattern here, with this overall very bullish looking chart here, it was only a matter of time before this thing broke to the upside, which it did here. So it's looking good here. You're over 8.7. As long as you're over 8.7 and you break over 9.8, she's going to go to that $1 billion market cap that Turbo has been waiting for here. So from where we are right now, you can see we already have it mapped out up to the 1414, 15 here, 1 billion market cap, and a 67x here. So another 67x is potentially in play off of this breakout. And we always point this out that every time, which I already said, she is in a bullish pattern here. It has decent moves to the upside here. The one here larger than the previous one, so maybe this thing's going to make a run for 3 pennies here. We'll see what happens. But yeah, Turbo to the moon right now, looking good. Now, with that being said, if it does hit that 3 penny range here, about a 3.5x up to that level here. So we could see this thing doing a 3.5x out of this pattern here if we take a measurement tool really quick and do it from the last time it broke out of the falling wedge pattern here. It came all the way up here just above the 1272 here and did a 13.5, almost a 14x. So an x or a 3x out of this one would not be out of the question at all, in my opinion. And then we do have a couple of high targets on Turbo here. If it's going to hit a $5 billion market cap this cycle, you're looking at about a 9x to 5 billion, 8 pennies. And then, of course, the next level after the 1618 here at 3 would take you up to the 2272 at 41, a $26 billion market cap. And where Turbo is today over that first resistance down there, about a 44 or 45, 46x here to make it up to that market cap on Turbo. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. Turbo looks good. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.